Welcome to Autodesk Lesson 11. Today we're diving into a practical beginner project, designing a 3D printable phone stand. Get ready for a full build demonstration, taking us from initial concept to a finished, print-ready phone stand. Our project goal is simple: to design a functional, aesthetically pleasing, and stable phone stand that is ready for immediate 3D printing. We begin by establishing the foundation of our design, sketching the base of the phone stand in a 2D environment. This involves drawing the two-dimensional outline that will define the overall shape and footprint of the stand's base. Next, we'll use dimensioning tools to accurately define the size and constraints of our base, ensuring it is proportional and functional for a smartphone. With the 2D sketch complete, we transition to 3D by extruding the base to give it the necessary height and thickness. Extrusion is the process that converts our flat sketch into a solid, three-dimensional component, forming the main body of the stand. Now we'll focus on refinement by adding fillets and chamfers to soften the sharp edges. This step is crucial for both comfort when handling the stand and for improving the overall aesthetic appeal of the design. The next feature we need is the phone slot, the cutout where the device will rest. This involves sketching the profile of the slot and then extruding it as a cut feature into the base. To ensure stability, we'll design a set of support legs for the stand. We only need to create a sketch for a single leg. The software will handle the rest. Using the pattern feature, we can efficiently duplicate the leg design across the length or width of the base. This saves time and ensures consistent spacing and geometry for all the support legs. Before exporting, we perform a final review of the entire model to check for errors, clearances, and overall design integrity. We confirm all features, including the fillets and patterns, are correctly applied and that the phone slot is appropriately sized. The last step is exporting the design as an STL file, which is the standard format required by most 3D printers. And that's the complete design process for our 3D printed phone stand. We moved from a 2D sketch to a fully realized 3D model. We leveraged several techniques, including effective extrusion, adding fillets, using patterns, and working with intermediate sketches to create this functional design. Now it's your turn. Take your STL file and bring this phone stand to life with your own 3D printer. Thanks for watching.